Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all NRI diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now this particular diet plan is for all of those who are living outside India and they definitely want to follow Indian diet plan for their weight loss. So this diet plan is for all of those according to their weather conditions and at the same time food availability outside India. Recently my lots of clients followed personalized customized NRI diet plans for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss transformations happening. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with NRI diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks super effectively. Early in the morning, empty stomach, always start your day with diuretic water, which is lemon water. Now lemon is very easily available seasonally everywhere, so you can definitely consume lemon water. All you have to do is simply boil 2 cups of water, add lemon squeeze to this and have it sip by sip empty stomach in the morning itself. Second option is you can always have warm cinnamon water. All you have to do is simply boil 1 stick of cinnamon in approximately 2 cups of water, let it simmer for at least 2 minutes and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Now this particular drink will always help you suppress your sugar cravings of any type, at the same time does not allow your blood sugar to spike in any form. So you can always have this or warm lemon water for your early morning drink. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for NRI diet plan. The first option is for all the vegetarians out there. If you can consume eggs for your breakfast, then you can always have egg whites omelette. All you have to do is simply use 3 to 4 egg whites for this omelette. Skip the yolk part and at the same time prepare it in a very fuller form. Add lots and lots of vegetables to it like spinach, mushrooms, capsicum, bell peppers, corns, whatever is seasonally available at your place, you can add to these recipes and at the same time make it very fuller and protein rich with egg whites and have it for your breakfast. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to never add any kind of sugar or sweetener to your tea or coffee. Always skip it because it's much effective for weight loss in each and every form. Proceeding towards our second option for all the vegetarians out there. You can always have sandwich, first option, club sandwich, spinach corn sandwich or banana peanut butter sandwich. All of these things are very easily available in every country out there. So you can always have that. The recipes for all the sandwiches are on my channel and here are the complete recipes of it. And the last and the most effective weight loss recipe for you is you can always have smoothie. Now smoothie is very easy to prepare because fruits are very easily available in every country possible. You can add any seasonal fruit like apple, banana, pineapple, berries, avocado, kale, whatever you have available with you in your fridge or kitchen also. You can just add it to the blender, blend it out and have it for your breakfast. Very quick and at the same time for all of those who just quickly want to grab something out there and run to the work. Always prefer smoothie for weight loss. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, which you can definitely carry for your work or you can easily buy as well. 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or you can always have 1 seasonal fruit of your own choice. Any of the two are best. Green tea is very easily available in every store out there, so simply you have to add boiling water to this and prepare a full cup of green tea and have it sip by sip throughout your mid-morning snack. Helps you stay hydrated, also great for antioxidant levels and great for belly fat cutter as well. You can always have 1 seasonal fruit as well. Any seasonal fruit which is available to you nearby, just grab it and have it for your mid-morning snack. The key here is to not keep you hungry for at least every 2 hours out there. Proceeding towards our lunch options for great weight loss. A quick tip for weight loss: whenever you're on your weight loss journey, always make sure that you have at least 2 cups of warm water before your lunch. You can just have it 30 minutes before your lunch. This always helps to surprise your appetite and at the same time also does not help to boost your blood sugar level whenever it comes to your lunch intake. You can even add apple cider vinegar to this if you can, to give you good weight loss results also and to reduce your insulin sensitivity as well. Proceeding towards our lunch options. First option is for all of those who can carry their Indian lunches to their offices. You can always have veggie pulao. It's one of the safest options out there. Reason being, you can add lots and lots of vegetables to it. Less rice, more vegetables is the key. Skip any kind of curry or sabzi if you think it's difficult for you to carry at the workplace. At the same time, very nutritious as well and keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day. Recipe for veggie pulao is yet again upon my channel. Very easy to prepare, yet very healthy in each and every manner. Here is the complete recipe of it. Second option is for all of those who cannot carry any kind of Indian foods to their places. Then you can always have Mexican salad. Good fats, low carb, at the same time great for weight loss is yet again upon my channel. Here is the complete recipe. I've also added lots of lettuce, cucumber, tomato, onions to it. At the same time, also added some guacamole or avocado for the fats. You can prepare this recipe very easy at your home, or at the same time even get it from the markets as well. Super easy and very healthy in each and every manner. And the last option is you can always have grilled chicken or fish if it's available to you, or you can prepare it at home also very easily. Super easy to prepare and very quick recipe. Or you can even have grilled vegetables. All of this is very easily available at healthy stores as well. At the same time, very nutritious and fiber rich as well. Whenever it's not possible for you to carry your Indian food to the workplace or any kind of food that you cannot carry, then you can always substitute these with your healthy options out there. Salads are very easily available each and every country, very healthily prepared, at the same time very nutritious as well. Always ask them to skip your any kind of dressings over it. Have it raw, have it nice, and have it very fresh. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack. The first option is, of course, you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference if you like it, or you can always skip it and have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or matcha tea. Easily available at the stores as well, and at the same time very high in antioxidant levels. Great for weight loss as well. Always prefer brewed beverages over fizzy beverages. Very great for weight loss, at the same time very low in calories as well. For snack, you can always have some roasted peanuts, 30 grams of roasted peanuts without any kind of salt added to it. Only plain roasted peanuts are great for your good protein content, also to keep you fuller as well. Proceeding towards our dinner options for weight loss. First option is you can always have oats and milk with fruits. Great for your weight loss, suppresses your sugar cravings, at the same time very healthy as well. Oats are great source of fiber, calcium, protein, helps in keeping you full for the longer time as well. At the same time, does not make you starve your food at all. Recipe for oats and milk with fruits is very easy. Yet again upon my channel, you can have it prepared at home very easily and very quick recipe as well. Second option is for all of those who like to have a fuller dinner when it comes to your weight loss journey. You can always prepare chila, besan chila, oats chila, ragi chila, or even dosa. Whatever suits you the best, you can always have it for your dinner. But make sure to limit the portion of it. At the same time, prepare it in a very fuller form, adding lots of vegetables to it, and avoid consuming any kind of curry or sabzi or dal with it. Always have it plain along with some curd and salad. Enjoy your healthy, fuller dinner when it comes to your weight loss journey, but make sure to always keep a portion check on it. And the last option is a healthy soup. You can always have chicken soup, egg soup, or veggie soup. All the recipes are yet again on my channel and very easy to prepare as well. You can even have tomato soup, spinach soup, chicken soup, or egg soup with approximately 250 grams to 300 grams of quantity, and enjoy your dinner as well. Along with that, you can have one toast as well when it comes to your hunger pangs. And now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss. The first option is, of course, a freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea. Helps to calm you down of the entire day's stress and also to give you good sleep for the entire night. People suffering from insomnia or any kind of depression should definitely have this tea to calm down their nerves and also to promote good sleep. If you cannot have this, then you can always have ajwain or jeera water if it's available with you, or you can always skip it and have your cinnamon tea again. Great for your blood sugar spikes or with any kind of water retention, bloating, or swelling in the body. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. Hydration is always the key to weight loss, as well as to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized, customized NRI diet plans, mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes, and I'll be more than happy to help you in each and every manner out there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, recipes, client transformations, and healthy diet plans for weight loss. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.